unboxing from Revzilla. As you can see, we have a box here, nice big box from Revzilla. So I really must find my unboxing dagger. We'll use a box cutter. Here we are. Open the box. What do we have? Here's the thing. What do we have? We have some packing material, as we usually do. We have a coat hanger. We pull it up. You still can't see what it is, but it does say REV'IT. So, take the plastic bag off of the REV'IT. Take that off, and there we are. This is what we have. We have REV'IT. This is REV'IT Standard Black Tornado 2. It says $359. I did not pay $359 for this. That's really strange. What I was looking for. And we'll take that off. I do like them. What do you think? What do you all think? Do they look good?
A young boy, aged 18, who aged until they were 80 years old. And she thought, wow, my goodness, this is a fine actor and a good character actor. And she
they have sea-smart armor.
Sue Carroll had been a very well-known young actress in town, very mostly in collegiate.
They're waterproof. See, all the stuff on here. Tornado 2. Thing is that these have two linings in them that I can take out. One is a thermal lining and one is a waterproof lining. And this here, these parts here, is mesh. So in the summer, air will move through these. But now, because I have the two linings in, no air, water or anything else can get in. So good to go.